Hey, I'm Ewan, and today we are talking all about motorcycle ramps, specifically Stockton's aluminum folding ramps. Now, Stockton's a brand that specializes specifically in universal and affordable tools for your garage, including their line of ramps. To my left, if you have a motorcycle 750 pounds or less, and to my right, if you have a motorcycle 1,500 pounds or less, these might be useful in your garage or your pickup truck. I think they provide a lot of great convenience and a lot of great safety aspects to your motorcycle adventures. The standard ramp unfolds to 90 inches or 7.5 feet, whereas the heavy-duty ramp unfolds to 94 inches or 7 feet 10. Now, ramp length is incredibly important when it comes to loading motorcycles on an incline, because the longer your ramp, the easier your approach angle. And another great factor about these is this kinked design on the top of these ramps, so that when they are actually extended and going uphill, instead of being a straight line, they're slightly curved. And this is important because it lends an easier approach angle and gives you a bit more room for lower ground clearance motorcycles. I'm talking cruisers and sport bikes, where wheelbase and ground clearance are an issue when going on an incline, because everybody worries about bottoming out their bike when trying to go up high. Now, speaking of going up high, these are rated specifically to only go 38 inches or below for a rise. So if you have an incredibly tall lifted pickup truck, it's something to consider. They also are foldable, which is one of the most convenient parts about them. This folds down to 46 inches in the case of the standard and 48 in the case of the heavy duty. So for my instance, I keep 2 of these in my pickup truck all the time, and I don't have to think about them until I need them. And if you're planning on keeping them in the garage, you can throw them away in the corner and you don't have to worry about them. The last thing is the fact that they are made from a sturdy aluminum, which is a lightweight metal. This can support 750 pounds, but it only weighs in at 15 pounds. And this can support 1,500 pounds, but only weighs 32 pounds. One of the other really important things to consider with ramps is their added safety benefits. And a lot of that comes from this included safety strap that comes with each of these ramps. I'm sure you have come across at some point a clip of somebody loading their motorcycle into a truck and the ramp goes flying out from under them, the bike tumbling off to the side onto the ground, or even worse, onto the person trying to load it. So a great thing about these is being able to firmly lock the ramp into wherever you're loading it to. Now, another great safety benefit to these is strictly their affordability. My favorite way to use ramps is to have one dedicated to my motorcycle and one dedicated to myself, so that I can walk alongside it as we go up and stabilize it from the handlebars the entire time, especially when loading into higher areas. Another benefit of having 2 ramps together is it lends you more opportunity to use them. I've seen people use these for ATVs or UTVs or 4-wheeled vehicles in general. It's just another added benefit when buying these ramps. That's everything I have for you on the Stockton aluminum folding ramps. But if you have any further questions, go ahead and click that info button. It'll bring you right to our product page where you can read what other riders are saying about their experience in using these. Or go ahead and give our customer service team a call. They're all riders just like you, and they're happy to help out. Now, thanks for joining me today. I'm Ewan. I'll see you out there.